Hello, my budgeting friends. Welcome back to Work Right Planner. On this channel, we talk about my budgeting journey as I learn about finance and try to pay off 6 figures of overall debt. Here I share my successes and my failures in hopes that you don't make the same mistakes that I did. So if you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back. I appreciate you and all of your wisdom and support and advice so much. You have no idea. And if you're new here, pull up a seat, stay a while. We hope you decide to stay. Anyway, so today we're going to talk about the April 21st paycheck budget. We're in transition where I work my second job, and so I got just a hair bit more hours than what I'm used to, even though I was deathly ill. And it was just because there are certain things that have to be done, and they had to be done. But, oh goodness. So the paycheck is $103.30. So it is more than the 80. Everything that we've got budgeted here is covered. So 2 thumbs up. That is awesome. April, even though I've been sicker than a dog all month, April is turning out not to be so bad, y'all, financially speaking. Hopefully our spending turns out to not be so bad, but in income terms, not terrible. So let's go over to our excess income plan, because that's where we've got to make our plan for this money and see where we want to put it. Okay, so this is our April 21st YMCA paycheck. It's $103.30. We have already budgeted $80, and we already know that the buffer is going to get the 30 cents. So 103 minus 80 is $23 is what we have left. So according to our plan, let me pull this down here where you can see it. The rest goes to variable income. We've already wiped that out with these two. So we're good in terms of that. Check. Is it greater than or less than 100? It's less than 100, so I get nothing. And so we're going to go over here to these. So we've got debt, Murphy, savings challenges, and eating out, because, you know, I like to eat. So let me see if I can get this for y'all. There we go. Okay, so let me break out the calculator over here. We have $23, which is not much, times 55. So we're going to put $13 of that towards the debt. I'm game. Okay, so $23 times 20%. We're going to put $5 into the Murphy fund. $23 times 0.15. We're just going to do $3 for that one, because we're going to round that down. And 23 minus 13 minus 5 minus 3 is 2. So we're going to put $2 into eating out. Okay, so I'm just going to move all of this information into the paycheck budget. Okay, so we got all of that moved. Everything is as it should be here. Let's see if it comes out to be 0. So we know that this comes out to be 3 because it's the only fixed expense. $103.30 minus 3 is $100.30. So let's add these up. So that's $54.30. We're going to subtract that from $130, and that gives us $46 as we head into debt and savings. So let's add these up. And that one did come out to be 46. So that is why this step is important, you guys, because you can get this paycheck and be like, wow, I got extra money, and just go out and spend it all. Life doesn't work that way. Like, your money, that extra $23 would have just disappeared if I didn't make a plan for it. Instead, it's going to help me pay off my debt. It's going to help me toward having an emergency. It's going to help me toward all those goals that I have. You know, that's what we want our money to do. And I know I'm preaching to the choir here, but that's what we want our money to do. So I'm very happy with this. I'm going to take these numbers, put them into the spreadsheet that's in my wallet that I carry around with me all the time, so that I know how much cash to pull out of the bank, and I will get all of that put back together, and the next video will be the cash stuffing for the April 21st paycheck. So be sure to join me for that one. In the meantime, if you're still in the mood to watch, YouTube has put the best match for you on the screen, and I will see you all next time. Have a great couple of days, everybody. Bye!